Oops, the Android phone keeps turning off. Well, why does my phone keep shutting off randomly? Are there any workarounds to essentially resolve Android keeps shutting down? Okay, in this full guide, we will refer to the 12 DIY tips and one ultimate solution. We hope they are of great use. Part 1. Android phone keeps turning off. 12 quick solutions to fix it. Solution 1. Check the power button. Solution 2. Restart your phone. Solution 3. Remove phone's case cover. Solution 4. Check if the battery is loose. Solution 5. Check battery status. Solution 6. Boot phone into safe mode. Solution 7. Disable overheating service. Solution 8. Uninstall culprit apps directly. Solution 9. Remove malware and viruses. Solution 10. Factory reset your phone. Solution 11. Check Android OS for updates. Solution 12. Contact the manufacturer. Part 3. Fix Android keeps shutting down with professional Android repair software. There's a decent chance that after trying all the DIY tips, your Android phone still keeps turning off. Now, it's time to restore to a specialized tool like Android Repair.